So yeah, Venus, right above it. Lovely. Look at that shot there, that's fantastic. Hello everybody, it's day 4 of lockdown. Hope you're all keeping well. Right, let's get this out of the way before we start. I went to collect the camera this morning, rushed home to watch the footage and there was one video clip and one photo, so I was quite excited about that. However, it looks like whatever triggered the camera ran across the camera, triggered it, and then it filmed for 15 seconds like it does, but there was nothing there. So a bit disappointing, but after I got over my disappointment, I sort of self-reflection, I thought, lesson learned. I now appreciate how difficult it is to capture wildlife on camera. So like a detour because there's a big muddy puddle down there. So yeah, realised how difficult it is to catch stuff on camera. So we're back again because I'm not going to be defeated. We're back again at the same location, and what we're going to do is we're going to have a look round and I'll show you what happened last night, and then we'll try and find a place where we're going to put the camera differently and hopefully have better results. Okay, let's go and have a look. Right, so that's where the camera was originally, and if we just spin it round, there's the log there, and that's where the fox was, and then it sort of ran down here. So last night we put the camera on there, and what it would have been doing, well, it was filming exactly here, and it was really clear. The image was really crystal clear, even though it was 4:30 in the morning and it was dark. So what I think's happened is the fox, or whatever it was, has either come up here, come down here, and it's just walked straight across, triggered the camera, and then it's either gone down there for a drink or gone over the little bridge there where my daughter is, or vice versa, coming this way. So this could be its thoroughfare. So we need to pick a spot now. Did you?
Or a vole.
Mouse or a vole? Cool.
Might have been a rat.
So we need to pick a spot that's going to sort of capture this area. So we either put it on that post over there. There's this little tree there. Or we could put it on there. What do you think, Eden? On this one here, pointing sort of this way.
Yeah.
Or we put it on this one here. Put it on this one,
yeah.
facing that way. Then I would have thought that's going to capture a bit more. And if we have it sort of there, lowish down, it is, I mean, there it was quite well camouflaged. I'm always worried about somebody's going to see it. There's not many people going to be out at this time, so I'm thinking that's going to be safe. Or the other option is here, on that one. So that might be, but I might put it on there actually. What do you think about this one here?
Yeah, maybe that one.
The only thing is, it's a bit out in the open, but I'm going to have to take the risk, I think. I hope nobody comes this way. So what we might do is set the camera and then just bob back later, just check. Right, that's where we're going to put it. Change my mind. If we put it on that one, and it walks up here and walks where it's walked last night, that tree might be blocking the view. So we're going to put it on that tree there. So that's where we're going to put it. Right, there we go. There's the camera there. I'm just trying to keep out a shot of the sensors so we don't trigger it. It's a little bit obvious, but it'll have to do. Right, shall we continue? even though we're only on day 4 of lockdown, I'm already starting to appreciate getting out in the fresh air, just going for a walk. Been stuck in all day, so you do appreciate these simpler things in life. So that's one thing. The other thing, you might be wondering where the other half of the not so mini jesters is. That's because my lad, he suffers from a bit of asthma, so we've really got to keep an eye on him, and just for precaution's sake, just keeping him inside, out of harm's way. The less contact he has, the better, I think, because he is classed as vulnerable. So just erring on the side of caution with that one. But yeah, we're on the bridle way now, so we're just going to do our evening walk and then do a 180 and then come all the way back again, which is what we do every night. Right, we're heading back now. Been to the end of the lane. You can see there, once again, that sunset hasn't let us down. And Eden is still dancing around on the bridleway. You can't help yourself, can you? No, I'm not surprised you've been stuck inside all day. Right, so we look up there. You can see now we've got the moon, and just, well, directly above it is Venus, as we found out with our Skyview Light was the name of the app. So yeah, Venus, right above it. Lovely. Look at that shot there, that's fantastic. Right, so it's probably another 10 minutes down here and then we'll be back. So we'll bring you back shortly and we'll do the final good nights to camera. Right, we'll see you in a bit. Right, so that's us nearly at the end of a walk now. I hope you enjoyed that one. Sorry we didn't get any footage of the fox last night, but I will be up again early tomorrow morning to check the camera again, and hopefully we'll be a bit more successful. And I'm not giving up until we've got some really good footage. So hopefully we've got that to look forward to tomorrow. So that's it for day 4 of lockdown. If you did enjoy that, give us a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, as always, click on the icon here by subscribing and the subscribe button down below. And don't forget to click on that bell icon so you don't miss out on, what is it?
Day 5.
No, my next video, which will be day 5, yeah. Alright, thanks for watching and we'll see you on the next one.